Hello travellers, welcome back to not only our final day in Singapore, but the final day of an incredible adventure across the other side of the world. We spend our last day at Singapore Airport, but as you can see from the clips here, it's not quite like any other airport we've seen before. But first, a more pressing issue, breakfast. Just to capture the mood properly, this is our background music. I just love the donut tree.
Breakfast done.
Done. So we're going to spend the day in the airport, which sounds ridiculous. But Changi Airport at Singapore has been voted the best in the world. So it's not just any airport. So this is the JEWEL, the airport's nature-themed retail and entertainment complex, containing, well, you'll see. Just a regular, normal airport.
Wow, that is pretty spectacular, huh?
If you do have the opportunity to visit the JEWEL, we recommend coming at 10 AM, because at 10 AM, this happens.
Welcome to JEWEL Changi Airport. As we start off the HSBC Rain Vortex, here's wishing you a day of sparkles ahead.
That's amazing. How utterly glorious. And this is all rainwater that gets recycled and recycled. What a spectacle. Brilliant. So now we've seen that, we're going to start exploring. We've decided, because we have no idea what's here and what to expect, we're going to start at the very top and work our way down. Seems like a plan. In an airport.
Yeah.
This is weird.
Very bonkers.
Singapore is mad. We love it. So we're now at level 5, right at the top of the shop. And there is an avenue of trees. Of course there is. And there is the roof. So there's stuff to do. There's all sorts of things. We've decided to buy a bundle of activities, which hopefully you can come with us. Here we go, we're going to bundle deal 1. That's 1. That's 2. And that's the receipt. Click yes to receipt. Ta-da! We have stuff to do. Ooh, orangutans. Nice. First I'm going to say hello to the Hoot. Hello Hoot. How are you? Oh, I wonder who I'm going to see round here. Oh. Just 3 orangutans, as usual. There's a beautiful peacock. And what's lovely about it is that it's all from flowers. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, the orangutan's off. Best follow. Hello, you're adorable. Some canoodling parrots, nice. Nice Christmas capes, good. That's too cute. I love it. Everywhere you look, it's just green and lush and wonderful. Now, I grant you, these Christmas trees might well be artificial, but everything else is real. It's beautiful. It's quite stunning. I really hope that the GoPro can pick this out, but there's a rainbow. Oh, that is just something else. It's a foggy bowl. That's hilarious. You appear to be on fire, darling.
No, I like pants on fire.
Hot stuff. The petal garden with lots of poinsettias for Christmas. Let's go see. He's so cute. I'm like a kid in a candy shop or in a flower shop, depending on your point of view. This is so lovely. And the mad thing is, if you just look to one side, there's an airport with planes taking off right there. And this is the walking net. He's off. Bye-bye. Oh my gosh, I wasn't ready for activity. Crikey.
There's some escalators down there. Could do with those at the moment. Not far to go. That's how far we've come. And this is the end. Bouncy, bouncy. And firm ground.
Oh, and by the way, it's Christmas! Christmas tree! In case this place wasn't bonkers enough. No picnic furniture? Who brings picnic furniture to an airport? Yeah, we're a bit warm now.
Yeah. Sit down for a rest.
Sit down for a rest. We're on level 2, so we've gone from level 5 to level 2. There is basements, isn't it? There's heaps, isn't there?
Levels 3 and 4 are mostly just shops and places to eat and drink.
Anyway, before I get too sweaty, you see my new t-shirt? It's a Christmas present from my lovely husband. Look, 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 look. Prizes if you know where this comes from, tell me in the comments. And apologies if I'm sweaty. So I'm on brands now and everything.
And what does it look like from below?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, no, we're back to the gates. Oh! Do they change? Oh, that's neat. I like it. No. Oh, they're speaking tubes. Oh. So maybe if there's another blue one. Oh, there's another. So we're going to go that way. No, we're not. Because we can't. Oh.
Where we've been.
And now to try and get out again. Place your bets as to whether it takes us twice as long to get out as it does to get in.
See how are we going to get out again?
I suggested that it might take us twice as long to get out as it does to get in.
I'm just going to go out here.
Oh, is that? Oh, that's very disappointing. See it that easy? Oh, sad face. And you get a noodle to work out what's real and what's not. And I've already lost my husband. Oh no, where is he? Is that him? No, no, yes. Oh. Hey! We made it to the flowers. Yay! Oh, hello. This is great fun. That's a mirror.
Oh, there we go.
That's a mirror. And we've made it. That was great fun. Oh. Oh, look, it's responsive. See, look. That's me. It's like being in the middle of a kaleidoscope. And that was the mirror maze. And I'm going to say it again, we're in an airport.
We are now approaching Terminal 1. Please bring along all your belongings.
Certainly have.
Isn't this beautiful? Oh, look at that. Look, look, look. Beautiful. And now it's this. Oh, it's all still.
So it comes to an end.
Back in an airport.
Ready for the last hop home.
Hop.
Okay, 14-hour flight
14
home.
hours flight.
And finally, it was back on the plane and our 14-hour flight home to the UK. On the plus side, that did give us plenty of time to reflect on the incredible journey we'd had over the last 4 weeks. We'd flown 24,374 miles, we'd driven 4,077 miles in the car, and our step count was an impressive 367,278 steps, or just 155 miles. If you've enjoyed coming along with us, then why not give this video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, or subscribe. It's completely free and it really does help us out. But alas, this journey comes to an end. But why not join us next time and see where we end up next?